Okay, I'm going to be very brief. This slide is just to explain also to the whole community that some of the PhD students who will present are also funded by ANR-funded Laboratoire d'Excellence, which is called Labex TOUCAN. So you have the number of teams which are funded with this program in the CRCT, but also the number of PhD students funded by this program. And we will organize a next meeting with PhD student presentation, which will be funded by TOUCAN in the 26th of October. So, I mean, Pierre Brousset, who is leading this program, could not be there today. So it's just to give you this information and save the date for in 6 months.
Will the vision